viewers, welcome to my channel Tech Solution. Let us discuss MS Excel print and page setup. And maximum people is not able to do page setup, and they do not understand the print dialog box. So I want to discuss in the 2 or 3 videos about this Excel problem, print and dialog or page settings. Before I start, I would say that in Excel there is no preview of pages in the main view of MS Excel. Suppose in front of my this Excel file, you don't see any page breakup, but if you invoked the print dialog, then there will show the page marker. You see, this is print dialog. If I will click OK, there is no paging, then you will see differences. Okay, there will be page line here. Before that there was no page line, but when I invoke the print dialog, there is a page line. And but still you don't know what is the first page, what is the second page here. This is the another horizontal line. Suppose this is first page, this may be second page, and this may be third, this may be fourth, and suppose this is first, this may be second. So it is you can see the page order in the page setup box, which is available. Page layout, this is the tag page setup. You go to your sheet layout, here you see page order. This is down and over. That is, if it is first, then the down page will be second page. So here is the option is that this first page, and below the first page this is the second page. So if you verify this, you will go another option here, page note down. The option is view page break preview, page break preview. Okay, don't see. It is the helping message that you can adjust pages with the page break line. So there is no preview because we have to write nothing here. So if I will write something here, it will give the page margin. Yes, suppose I write here something. So the page layout says this is first page, and this is second, that is down of the first page, and then up it is third page, and it is fourth page. So the page order I have already discussed, or is shown in the page setup, page layout, and the menu page layout, page setup, and sheet setup. Here is the down then over. If you want to change this order, then click here, over then down. Then this is first page, this will be the right hand side will be second page, and then 4 and 5, etc. So okay, so this is first page, this is second page now, and this is fourth, and this is 5. If you go this way, it will increase the order again, page 1, page 2, page 3, and then down page 4, page 5, page 6. That is the first step you want to know is that there is the page setup where pages are drawn from first page, second page, third page, or first page, second page, third page, fourth page, etc. That order can be chosen from page setup, sheet layout, down then over, or over then down, and then OK. So I think it is clear now that page layout can be started from the very beginning of page layout, and from the normal view to page break view. This is normal view, and identify the page name, page numbers in the menu page break view. And also you should know that whether if you write something, that then it will show only the pages. If you don't write anything, then it will do not show the pages. So I think it is clear for today. So I have discussed here number 1, anything written will shows only pages in Excel. Number 2, page setup, page available in page layout. Number 3, in page setup, you can choose page order. Note, we are noting that if you don't write page number will not be shown. So thanks for today. Next I will discuss how to adjust pages and text and in the print dialog box. So thank you.